Hey there, Flathead Valley. The Hidden Homes Montana team and Keller Williams Western Montana have a new home to share with you in the most desirable subdivision in the Northwest. Welcome to 134 Sage Grouse Way in Silverbrook Estates. Silverbrook Estates is a community with well over 400 homes nestled in the center of the Flathead Valley. This well-designed neighborhood features an entire community park system, including community clubhouse, gym, tennis courts, basketball courts, miles of walking paths, and access points to the Stillwater River. You will never have a dull moment in your 2022 built ranch-style home at 134 Sage Grouse Way. Let's go take a tour. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home boasts 1,782 square feet of single-level living space. As you walk into the open concept great room, you're greeted by big picture windows with mountain views, vaulted ceilings, a gas fireplace, and attached dining room. The kitchen has high-end appliances, a gas range, farm sink, quartz countertops, a large island with breakfast bar, and warm cabinet tones. The primary bedroom includes plenty of room for a king-size bed, walk-in closet, and tons of natural light. The primary bath has a dual vanity, walk-in tile shower, and a large soaking tub. There are 2 well-appointed bedrooms for your guests or family members, separate from the primary bedroom to allow privacy for all. Other interior amenities include a laundry room and mudroom with large washing sink, central air conditioning, and a 3-stall finished garage. Head outside into your huge, newly fenced and irrigated backyard with poured concrete patio and hot tub. This home's central location allows direct access to Highway 93 South and all of the Flathead amenities. And 20 minutes from Whitefish Mountain Ski Resort, just 5 minutes from Glacier Range Riders Minor League Baseball Stadium. 5 minutes from the best Kalispell shopping hub, and only 45 minutes from Glacier National Park. Thank you for joining me on this exciting property tour. For an exclusive showing, contact me or Andrea Raulston, or your real estate professional today. This is Baumgarten with Hidden Homes Montana and Keller Williams. Over and out.